What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an incredible piece of technology that's going to revolutionize the way you work with wide-format printers, plotters, and cutting machines. Say hello to the Natwind wide-format printer stand, an all-in-one workstation that's about to take your productivity to the next level. This beast of a machine is packed with features that will make your life easier, and we're excited to dive in and explore them with you. First off, let's talk about the construction of this workbench. The Natwind wide-format printer stand boasts a heavy-duty and sturdy construction, built with a high-quality wooden top and reinforced steel tubes for exceptional durability. The diagonal stabilizing bars on both sides ensure rock-solid stability, securely holding wide-format printers, plotters, and large printing equipment in place. This means you can work with confidence, knowing that your equipment is safe and secure. The sturdy construction also ensures that the workbench can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a great investment for any business or professional. Another feature that really stands out is the all-in-one storage solution. This workbench is designed with real-world usage in mind, providing versatile organization options that will keep your workspace clutter-free and efficient. The adjustable paper roll holder on top is perfect for keeping your paper supplies within easy reach, while the accessory storage drawer underneath provides a convenient place to store your tools and accessories. The height-adjustable shelves are great for storing printed drawings, and the pull-out fabric pouch is perfect for collecting your prints immediately. This storage solution is a game-changer, saving you time and reducing stress by keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the multifunctional work platform. With a spacious 47.2-inch by 18.5-inch desktop, this workbench can accommodate wide-format printers, CAD plotters, and cutting machines simultaneously, creating an efficient production station for professional workflows. This means you can work on multiple projects at once, streamlining your workflow and increasing productivity. The large desktop also provides ample space for your laptop, monitor, and other essential tools, making it the perfect hub for your creative or technical work. In addition to these amazing features, the Natwind wide-format printer stand also comes with a built-in power outlet, complete with 3 AC outlets, a USB charging port, and a Type-C port. This means you can power all your devices from one convenient location, reducing clutter and keeping your workspace organized. The extended 5-foot power cord also provides flexible positioning of your equipment, allowing you to work from anywhere in the room. And with the industrial-grade lockable wheels, you can effortlessly reposition your fully loaded equipment while maintaining stability during printing jobs. In conclusion, the Natwind wide-format printer stand is an absolute powerhouse of a workstation. With its heavy-duty construction, all-in-one storage solution, multifunctional work platform, built-in power outlet, and industrial-grade lockable wheels, it's the perfect tool for anyone working with wide-format printers, plotters, and cutting machines. Whether you're a professional graphic designer, engineer, or architect, or just a hobbyist looking to take your craft to the next level, this workbench is sure to impress. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Natwind wide-format printer stand today and take your productivity to new heights. Trust us, your workflow will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and we'll catch you in the next video.